Hello guys and welcome back to Gadget Grabs 101 channel. Today we are going to be learning how to create email group in Gmail. First of all, open the Gmail app. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then scroll down and select contacts. Tap on the contacts you want to include in the group. You can select multiple contacts by tapping one each one. After that, tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and select add to label. After that, tap on create new. Give your label a name. After that, tap on OK. After creating the label, you can add more contact to it and go back to the Gmail app. Tap on compose and start typing the label name in the to field. Finishing composing your email and tap send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.